Hello everyone, let's start how to calculate EMI in Excel using PMT function. So here you can see I have data. To calculate the monthly EMI, select the cell used is equal to, type here PMT and select here PMT function. So first select the rate, select the annual interest rate divided by 12, comma, then select the loan tenure, use the asterisk signs 12, comma, then select the loan amount, okay, A2, and bracket closed, okay. After that, here I'm using the minus sign before this PMT function. So I just click on it and add here the minus sign because Excel returns the EMI as a negative value by default. The minus sign display the EMI as a positive amount. Okay. So after that, press enter and here you see your monthly EMI is calculated. Select the cell, double click on this corner point and that's it. Next, the total payment. So select the cell is equal to select the monthly EMI. Add here the asterisk sign, then select the C2, the loan tenure, and then add here again asterisk sign and enter the 12. Then press the enter and here you see the total payment here calculated. Select the cell, double click on this corner point and your total payment here calculated. Then last total interest paid. So select the cell is equal to select the total payment minus A2, the loan amount. Okay. Then press the enter and that's it. Here the total interest paid calculated. Double click on this corner point and here you see. So this is a way you can calculate EMI in Excel using PMT function. So hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.